Welcome to that physics, the next video. Before going into the next concept, we must understand something about image. What is an image? Image is something called optical illusion. Optical means related to light there. Okay. Means, for example, if you are standing in front of the mirror, or you are standing here and your image is formed like behind the mirror, means an optical illusion is formed behind the mirror. That optical illusion is called an image. The one who you are exactly, you are acting as an object. Now look, these images are of two types. One is real images or real image. The other one is virtual image. Now what is the difference? I'll explain you later after a while. For example, what are the real images? Real means which can be obtained on the screen, like in the cinema hall, and the virtual means which cannot be obtained on the screen. Now what are real images or how they are formed? For example, this is any spherical mirror, this is any object. I'll explain later everything, just to try to have an idea. One light ray is this coming from the object, one light ray is this coming from the object, and they both are meeting. This light ray and this light ray are meeting at this point, and here the image has been formed. How formed, that will be the later part. Similarly, if here another spherical mirror has been there and the two light rays are coming, one is going this side after reflection, the other light ray maybe just from this object, you can say the other light ray falling here and going this side. And when actually these two light rays will never meet, so I'll try to make them meet by just expanding it back. So here they will form an image. This image is called virtual image. This image is called real image, because it is formed by the actual meeting of the two lines after the reflection, and it is formed by just expanding it back, by drawing it back, by back producing. So they are not actually, this image is not formed by actual meeting of these two lines. So this is exactly a virtual image. Moreover, your real image is always inverted. Inverted means ulti, inverted image. And your virtual image is always erect image. Erect means seedhi. I hope that two words are clear to you people. In the image, in the ray diagrams, I'm going to use this part a lot, that real image is formed by when the two light rays after reflection actually meets, or when they appears to meet by back producing them. Then virtual image is formed, and virtual image is always erect, and real image is always inverted. Thank you.